it's Steve and Matt here today, and today we're going to be doing a bike check on Matt's bike. We're going to swap, and he will tell you all about his bike, but there you go. Let's get right into it.
Hey guys, today we're doing a bike check for a bike. So I ride starting off, called Hawk frame. It's pretty big, and I like a big frame. So we'll start up from the bars after that. So I'm riding ODI long neck XL grips, Demolition Suburban bars. They're 8.6s, so they're pretty big, but I like them. Odyssey Sexton stem. We've got a Salt headset. Then Odyssey R32 forks with a Demolition Ghost front wheel. And then some 66.4, I think it's called, pegs. And then Odyssey Tom Dugan tires in the front. And moving down, we've got...
Fake rider.
Yeah. We've got E-Clat pedals, some Salt cranks, profile sprocket on this side,
Turn around there.
and then just like a makeshift, like a shade chain because my chain snapped. But I just ordered a BSD 1991 chain, so that's coming soon. Then, as you can see, I'm riding a Pivotal. What kind of seat was it? Chad Curley signature seat with a We the People seat post. Then on the back we're riding Animal Butchers that I just painted black because I hated the blue. S&M hub guard on the spine side. BSD coaster. And then a Kink drive side hub guard. And the same Animal Butcher on this side. And yeah, that's my bike, and I don't think I'm missing anything else on that. So thanks for watching.
What shoes you rocking to ride with?
Rocking Nike Janoskis. It's like Red Bull, they give you wings.
That was so loud. Oh my gosh. Dude, throw the other one.
No.
That was so loud. Oh my gosh.